Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be showing you how to make the Strawberry Margarita. First, add ice to your cocktail shaker. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite tequila. Next, add a ½ ounce of triple sec orange liqueur. Next, add 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Now add 1 ounce of homemade strawberry puree. Now if you'd like the recipe for our homemade strawberry puree, comment below. And shake until well chilled. Now rim the margarita glass with salt. And fill the glass with ice. And pour. Finally garnish with a strawberry and lime. And that's how you make the Strawberry Margarita. Enjoy.